2 years ago, 19 people were killed and 87 others injured when tornadoes hit Putnam County. And today, survivors will gather in the heart of the hardest hit area where a new park has been created. News Channel 5's Amelia Young is here now with more. So tell us more about this park, Amelia, and the story behind its name.
Hey, good morning, Jennifer. Yeah, well, this park is called Hope Park for a reason. It encompasses everything that the survivors there in that community are feeling: hope for a brighter future and hope for a recovery of all that's still left to do after all of that destruction. Now, the new park is located on McBroom Chapel Road. It sits now on top of 3 former lots where homes were totally destroyed. One of those lots had a family of 3 inside that all lost their lives that night. Putnam County Mayor Randy Porter says this is an important step for the community and the healing process. He hopes this will be a space where families for generations can come and reflect. After 2 years of recovery, he says more than 70% of homes have been rebuilt that were destroyed, and most have been repaired if they were damaged. Porter is thankful for everyone in and outside of the county that helped the community recover and build this park.
To see the community and the thousands of people that we have live here come together to help one another. We had such an outpouring of generosity with folks donating their time and their money.
Now, the dedication ceremony for Hope Park is happening today at 2 o'clock, and then it will be officially open to the public following that. Jennifer.